This company has built some of the world's tallest demolition machines. KOBELCO designed them for demolishing tall, strong buildings. The Guinness Award-winning SK3500D has a working height of 213 feet. KOBELCO demolition machines are very flexible thanks to their modular design. The SK400DLC model lets 3 operators complete boom assembly in 30 minutes. It can adjust its undercarriage width to under 9.8 feet for easy transport. With the tilting cabin, operators can also maintain a good position.